on that wall, all the way to the left. I think he just moved that Camaro.
Okay, so pull in and go to the left?
Yeah, try to go to the left.
Just take a turn?
Yeah.
Okay.
At the end of the wall.
Alright, appreciate you, bud. Yeah, we're pulling into the convention center. I guess there was a big old auction up here. Anyway, let's see how this is going to be fun. Man, that guy's leaving with my truck.
That was mine. I had that earmarked for me. No.
I think he's leaving with my Chevy truck. That's why I don't go to these auctions.
Yeah.
Because my hand would be up like this all day long. Oh, that's mine. And they got $1 to my name. I guess the old boy's bringing the Chevy truck around here I'm towing.
I guess. Do you know what color is it? Or?
I don't know anything about it. It's Chevy, old 71 or 72 Cheyenne.
Okay. Well, I'll get to see. I'll drive up there and let him know you're here.
He was standing out in the door there, so he should be pulling around here pretty quick.
He knows you're here.
Yeah. Yeah, they gave me an address. Say the guys were in Kansas City, Kansas. Well, there ain't nothing going on in Kansas City, Kansas.
No.
Look at that old Chevy truck, boy. That thing's beautiful. Ow. Now that's a beautiful SS.
No shit. I'm just hard for poor bastard that put 150 grand built that motherfucker.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that. That's bad. Yeah, they always say if you want something, don't build it, just buy it.
Yeah, that's exactly what I just did.
That's what I'd have done too. I got a Corvette at the house I've been working on, and I'm too far deep in it.
Yeah, that's a sick feeling when you get to that point and you realize you're past the point of no return.
Yes,
You'll
sir.
never recover what you've already got in. Where the fuck do you do from there, you know?
What size motor's in that SS?
540.
Ow!
Yeah.
That's going to get you in trouble.
Probably.
I bet you won't be letting your son drive that car, will you? Ow. Anyway, they had a big old car auction down here, I guess, is what's going on. And we're going to take this out to out by St. Louis somewhere. So it's going to be a fun trip. Look here, man. Look down here. I got a screw. Look here. Got a screw down here right around my tire. Look at that. How we doing today, bud?
Good, how are you?
Oh, another day in paradise.
I made it.
Finally. Well, she's beautiful.
That's a nice one.
Somebody put the love and time into it, didn't they?
That's what you buy them done already. I learned my lesson.
That's why I was just talking to that guy on that Camaro. Because you go to do them, it costs you way too much money.
Yeah.
What'd you have to get for this thing?
30.
30 grand. She's beautiful. Oh, you even gonna show me the motor too?
Yeah, you gotta get that part. Oh, look how clean that is.
Oh yeah. She's beautiful. Sorry, this video is gonna be kind of messed up. You know, it gets dark real quick out here. Oh, here's the guy now. Are you expecting this?
I swear to God, there's a truck out here with another truck on it.
Yeah, he's talking to us right now. Tell your dad.
He's about to drop the truck.
Tell him I'll take it back home.
No, he's dropping it off.
This is where it goes, right?
Huh?
This is where it goes, right?
I don't know. He's coming out now.
Oh, you stood,
yeah,
buddy?
I'm telling him, yeah.
Oh. Tell him I'll take it back home.
Alright, buddy. I was telling him, he goes, are you fucking serious? I'm like, yeah. And he goes, what cost? I was like, some Cheyenne 350 Chevy. And he goes, he thought you were taking one.
Oh, no, the one.
Like, no, he's dropping it off.
I just brought it down here from Kansas City for him. From his dad.
Yeah.
I said, I'll take it back home. Everybody I know, my brother will be driving that truck. I'll go ahead and say it's getting unloaded. Anyway, with the time difference, man, it getting dark so quick, my other camera doesn't work that well. So sorry, this ain't gonna be real good footage. 266 miles down here, I think's what it is. How far I drove down here to this thing. Oh man, there ain't no light in here, nothing. Listen to that thing. Don't that thing sound good? That thing sounds like it's got a little cam in it. Truck back together here so I can get back out of here.
How's it going?
How's it going, bud? Well, the way them guys were talking, I thought I was going to get me a free truck.
Right? Yeah, no, they're down in Kansas City right now.
He's still down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, he said he bought 3 more vehicles.
Really? You bringing them all here?
No, I brought this one.
Just this one? I appreciate it.
That's a nice truck, man.
Yeah. I haven't got a chance to check it out yet.
I'm starting to kick this idle down.
No, actually, you going up for me?
Hold on a second.
Just up there by one of those?
Kick the idle down so they ain't revving so hard. Where do you want it at?
You just, if you could, just right next to that Jeep right
Let me pull this truck forward.
I appreciate it, Ron.
It has when I'm running 4 hours to get out here.
Oh, yeah. No, like Madonna.
Now you got it.
See, they ain't got to twist more arm. I'll drive that truck. I ain't scared to get in it and put it in gear. Now, am I supposed to drive this normally or sideways?
Normally, that's not. Sorry.
That ain't no fun.
Yeah, I know, right?
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
It does look like a pretty clean truck.
You might get your knife out, bud, and cut the zip tie out. Cut this out so that we get the keys out of it.
Alright, perfect. I'll grab one.
You know, and find you a little block or something to put in front of the tire just to make sure it doesn't roll. I don't know if that's picking it up, but she's a good looking truck though. Well, like I said, sorry about the video because it is dark out here. You know, this time change, it gets dark about 4:30, 5 o'clock. There's nothing we can do about it. Nothing at all we can do about it. Let's see, 267 miles. Oh, here, bud.
I'm gonna get.
I got blocked.
See, car auctions, they take a zip tie around the keys around it. This could win off too. Oh, there you go.
Hope you don't go nowhere.
Yeah, just put it in front of the back tires, what I would do. Just in case you know it's new, you don't know the vehicle.
Oh, for sure.
You did come back and that thing be laying down in the
Oh,
trees.
right. Well,
Alright, thank you, my friend.
Have a great night.
You guys have a good one. Oh, man. It's 30 degrees out here, too. It's cold. Well, I appreciate you guys watching my videos, you know. I tell you guys that all the time. You know what to do. Like and subscribe. Because I really need all the help I can get out of you guys. Appreciate you. Thank you.